G'day guys, Greg here. Today I am whipping up the Taste of Australia. What is the Taste of Australia? Well, it's bacon and it's pumpkin. And together I'm going to combine it with some cream and make a creamy bacon and pumpkin soup. I can't wait to eat this. Let me show you what I'm using. Pumpkin, I'm using the canned. I like the canned because it just tastes so much better than all the other pumpkins. That's my personal opinion. Potato. I always like to throw potatoes in because it adds a little bit of extra texture and thickens it up and also extra flavour. Onions, garlic, bacon, some cream, some chicken broth, and of course, some butter. God, I love this stuff. So I'm just going to be cutting all these up into smaller bits and by the magic of YouTube, that's done. Now I'm going to be cooking this in the pressure cooker today. You can do it in a saucepan, of course. Well, I just find when you use the pressure cooker, you can just walk away and not worry about it like boiling over or cooking too long or whatever. So that's why I like using that. Anyway, let's start cooking. So my pressure cooker's got a saute feature, which I'll start. Okay, so start with adding some butter in here. Get that melting. And I'm going to add the garlic, bacon, and onions. And I want to cook this until it's like really well cooked. I want that bacon slightly brown. I want those onions caramelized. So we'll just cook that until that's all done. Alright, well that's changed colour nicely now. It's got some darkish bits in there, which is what I wanted. Now what I might do is just take out just a little bit of bacon, throw back the onions. Now I might add some more butter in because, well, butter. And I'll throw in the potato and pumpkin. I'll flatten that out and I'll add in some water. And basically I just want to fill it up until you can sort of just see it. It doesn't matter if the pumpkin's sticking out or whatever. Can you just see it there? We don't want to add too much water, especially in the pressure cooker, because the veggies will like lose all their water and more water will come. You always got to add less water when using a pressure cooker. Now that was probably only a couple of cups worth, and this chicken broth here, mate, this is so salty and so strong. And you need 1 teaspoon for every 2 cups. So I think that was about 2 cups worth. So I'll add in about a teaspoon's worth of this stock powder. Blend everything together. Let's whack on the old lid. Make sure this is set to seal. And now I'll come here. And the first one is soup, which is perfect. That's the one I want. And I hit start. And we'll come back when that's ready and we'll finish this soup off. Okay, well that's all done. Let's see if there's any steam left. Oh, no, there's none left. Sweet. Well, let's take a look. Oh, yes. And that's why you don't want to add too much water, because there's still plenty of water in there and you need to make this thick for the soup. Plus we'll be adding some cream in there to make the soup even thinner. But now it's time to grab your blender. Oh jeez! And we'll start blending this. Wonderful! So you can see here just how thick this soup is. Now you could just leave the soup like this if you really wanted to. But I'm going to add some cream in here to really make this something special. Probably just start with half a cup. Give it a mix through. But of course, if you're cheeky like me, you'll probably add a heap more. Yeah. Okay, well, let's pour some into a bowl. And remember these bits of bacon I saved? Throw a few of those on top. And why not finish it off with some green stuff on top as well? You might even want to crack some black pepper over the top. Up to you. Anyway, how about we taste this? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, mate. There you go, bacon and pumpkin soup. Nice and creamy. This will definitely lubricate your heart valves. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, remember to show it some thumbing love. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this